In architecture, a wall section is a technical drawing that provides a detailed, vertical slice or cross-section of a building's wall. It illustrates the wall's construction, including its layers, materials, finishes, insulation, and any other relevant details. Wall sections are crucial for understanding how walls are built, how they function, and how they integrate with other elements of the building, like windows, doors, and floors. Here's a more detailed explanation. Purpose: wall sections are used to communicate the construction details of a wall to the contractor or builder, ensuring that it is built according to the architect's specifications. Content: they show the materials used in the wall, such as exterior cladding, insulation, framing, and interior finishes. They also show how the wall interacts with other building components, like foundations, roofs, and floors. Importance: wall sections are essential for understanding the thermal performance, structural integrity, and overall function of the wall. They also help in ensuring the proper weatherproofing and moisture management of the building. Examples: wall sections can be for exterior walls, interior walls, or even specific details like window or door openings. Scale: wall section drawings are typically drawn at a larger scale than building sections to show more detail. This open-concept living room and kitchen design strikes a perfect balance between elegance and comfort. The living area features plush, neutral-toned seating paired with textured throws and accent pillows, creating a cozy yet sophisticated ambience. Large windows flood the space with natural light, enhancing the airy feel and highlighting the clean lines and curated decor. The kitchen flows effortlessly from the living area with a large island that doubles as a casual dining spot and prep space. Matte cabinetry, minimalist hardware, and quartz countertops lend a modern edge, while warm wood or stone textures add depth and character. Ambient lighting, through pendant fixtures and recessed LEDs, ties the two spaces together visually and functionally. This setup not only enhances spatial continuity but also encourages social interaction, making it perfect for families, entertainers, or anyone who values both beauty and utility in their home environment. Wall section, unified yet defined. Design concept: the walls in an open concept layout serve as a visual bridge between the living room and kitchen, so it's important they feel cohesive yet allow for subtle definition of each space. Living room wall ideas: feature wall, use textured wallpaper, a gallery of framed art, or a painted accent wall behind the sofa to add character. Built-in shelving, consider open shelves or recessed wall units to display books, decor, and plants. TV wall, mount the TV on a clean wall panel with hidden cable management for a minimalist look. Kitchen wall ideas: backsplash, extend backsplash tile, e.g. subway, zellage, or stone, from countertop to ceiling behind open shelving for a dramatic effect. Open shelving, use floating wood or metal shelves to add both function and aesthetic appeal. Wall paint, match or complement the living area with neutral tones, but consider a slightly warmer or cooler shade to define the kitchen subtly. Color and texture tips: stick to a neutral base, white, soft gray, or grayish, with texture, shiplap, panel molding, or plaster finish to avoid flatness. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, or woven elements for warmth. Use large wall art or mirrors to enhance light and space perception, especially on larger blank walls. A wall section is a technical drawing that provides a cross-sectional view of a wall, revealing its internal components and materials. It's a detailed representation that helps architects, engineers, and construction professionals understand how a wall is built and how its various layers interact. Here's a more detailed explanation. What it shows: internal components. The wall section illustrates the different layers of a wall, including studs, insulation, sheathing, and interior and exterior finishes. Materials. It specifies the types of materials used in each layer, such as wood, concrete, brick, or insulation. Details. It includes crucial details like window and door openings, flashing, and waterproofing measures. Connections. It shows how the wall connects to the foundation, floors, ceilings, and other parts of the structure. Why it's important. Construction planning. Wall sections are essential for construction planning and detailing, ensuring that all elements of the wall are correctly installed and connected. Understanding building performance. They help understand the thermal performance, weather resistance, and other important aspects of the wall assembly. Communication. They serve as a clear and concise communication tool between architects, engineers, and contractors. In short, a wall section is a crucial drawing that provides a detailed understanding of how a wall is constructed and how it functions within a building. Wall hatch design refers to the process of creating and incorporating hatching patterns on wall representations in architectural drawings and CAD software. Hatching is used to visually represent the material or type of wall being depicted, like brickwork, blockwork, or concrete, through various patterns of lines or fills. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Purpose of wall hatch design. Material representation. Hatching provides a visual cue to the type of material a wall is made of, whether it's brick, concrete, block, or something else, according to Ross-Hubergang landscape design. Sectional detail. In section views, hatching helps differentiate between different materials or layers within a wall. Layering and detail. Hatching can also be used to indicate different layers within a wall, such as insulation or cladding, says a video on YouTube. Communication. Hatching is a standardized way to communicate the material composition of walls to architects, engineers, and other stakeholders involved in construction. Common hatching patterns. Brickwork. Patterns of diagonal or perpendicular lines spaced out to resemble brick courses. Blockwork. A denser pattern of lines or fills to represent the appearance of concrete blocks. Concrete. A solid fill or a coarser pattern of lines. Insulation. A pattern that visually represents the fibrous nature of insulation materials, according to Ross-Hubergang landscape design. Tools for wall hatch design. CAD software. Software like AutoCAD, Revit, and others have dedicated hatch commands or tools to create and apply hatching patterns. Architectural design software. Programs specifically designed for architecture.